Welcome to GPS. Hi, welcome to my vlog and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Haniway Pilot Elementary School. Atin kami ka-graduation kang apo, Kender, Noah, may apo. Nandun ta sa stage. Graduation ni Bibi Apo Noah, grade 1, Kinder 1, going to grade 1. Yan na library. Here, grade na laganda. Dahil lagi ang mga school girls ng Haniway Pilot Elementary School. Welcome. Ay, mainit aga pa. Good morning. Mga 8 AM pa lang. Saras mama na. May mga building dito. Anam ko man kakabataan kaya nag-graduate sa Haniway Pilot Elementary School. So nice. Biyado ta.
Your first milestone in a lifelong journey of education. You have learned your first lesson
The next level.
Ay, mo kaya
So today's special day
Let's
is
go,
a
bata.
day of celebration,
Nagkatay
a
lang
day
ng sa
of
mga
pride,
friends.
and a day filled with hope. We gather.
Abe nga, masabak siguro. May ano flag? May stage. Symbolic. May stage flag sa Haniway Pilot Elementary School. May ano pagid? Sige. Si Inday, may ano flag? Lang simple ang mindset kaato nga kabataan sa kindergarten. Meaning to say, they are taking things through symbols that they can see around them. Si Ma'am Sheila. Palakpakan si Ma'am Unang. Palakpakan si Ma'am Gladys. Si Ma'am Carmela. Ay, kulang pa isa. Awa, ay done. Okay? So to all of you, maayong agagin, kag mabuhay ang kindergarten learners.
Thank you so much, Dr. Manero, for your insightful words and leadership. I call on Ms. Eurinjin P. Nalagas, NET Bridging Class Advisor, to do the honor.
In EPP, TLE, TPL, SNED, and IE of the Schools Division of Iloilo. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause to Mr. Abraham P. Imas.
Don't give your picture, masigit ka po. Okay. So with that, I hope that you will make this as a memorable day in your life as you grow old. And remember always, kinanglan kuhagin ka mo sa pictures ninyo, kay balikan ninyo inang pictures ninyo, ay, amo ako ni Karantinder, dami matubang ako dito, nagabalikin ako yung pagpa-picture na to. So, with this,
Friendly Neighbor Awardee. Hey Roman, out of Soul Awardee. Reader, Batang Manulat, and Body Mathematician Awardee. Awardee. Sabi Sophia Ray.
Buhay pangita ko ba?
Star Reader Awardee. Swasi Ayla Yusea. Determined Kid Award and Friendly Neighbor Awardee.
Ay, congrats! Buhay pangita ko, Noah.
Josh Asher, Determined Kid and Happy Helper Awardee. And Cheerful Soul Awardee. Rapista Romar, Cheerful Soul and Battle Manulat and Extra Minor Awardee.
Best in all.
Bebela
Edgar Jr.
Congrats!
Kinderbody Friendly Neighbor Kid Friendly Neighbor Award. Roche R.B. Kinderbody Friendly Neighbor Award. St. Matthew Star Reader Budding Mathematician Golden Heart Awardee. Camille Batang Manula. School Year 20
Shine so bright, I'm a little star glowing light. With every step, I find my way. Star, watch me shine near and far. In Milky Way, I light the way. Shining bright both night and day. With friends I've made, love so true. I learn and grow, all thanks to you.
Kidato, Sage Alexi T. Kidato, Christine Dahay Javier and Ryan J. Javier, Natasha May Vergara Toralba, Mitchell Joaquin, Rachel R. Amador, Michelle J. Yunanga, Noreen L. Ares, Pearl Joy Ogaho, Yoreen J. P. Nalaga A. Pragali, and Gina L. Belnero.
Gamay na tingyo ha, ang akin ang agaw mo durugin. Di ba rin? Totoo na kagam na mo na. Yati mas bilang na ha. Dan, okay dan, okay dan. Pong, tindag. Dear parents, tiyog lang ni Atra. Tungko ang mga parents or isol ang parents.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay then. Dali, dali, dali.
Hoy,
Sige, mahirap ko nga mapumpang brass nila tindag sa tabaw.
go. Let's do it.
Dali, 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 girls. Dali, girls. Dali, girls. Dali, dali.
Congrats. Picture to nay. Ha? Mua. Mukilala mo ko?
At babaw. Happy to you.
Huwag ka namin ka-smile ni Nonoy Noah.
Already done, yes, dali po ko.
Nonoy, congrats.
Gamay natin niyo ha, ang mga ginakagat o doon. Sige guys, dali sa.
Congrats. Hindi bi, congrats. Congrats. Go home na. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Congrats. Congrats, Noy. Ay, tapos ng graduation. Go home na ta. Happy pa kami isa. Ay, good noon. Malunch na kami kaya graduation ako. Part 2. Welcome to Pick Shop. Happy kami. Malunch. Ayan, tapos tayo na mga banda. Noah, congratulations sa mga usan. Order nyo guys. Pick Shop, ano yan? Pick Shop. Ano mo ma? Ano din yan? Ano rin? Malabak ka manok?
Additional na 11 pesos.
Ano rin na yun? 65 na ano yan? Two burger. Ano yung order mo na? Congrats. Bibi Baboy. Anong order nyo? Burger, spaghetti, rice, happy lunch. Sila kami kasaan dyan. Pick Shop. Pick Shop. Pick Shop. After graduation ni Apo sa tender. Grade 1 na sa next year no one. Waiting for the order pa kami di. Let's eat. Sorry na naman na order. Spaghetti. Oh, daraming Jollibee. Jollibee.
Thank you.
Lunch to sa Jollibee.
Thank you so much. Mahal sa akin, mahal-mahal.
Oh, paborito yung mga french fries. Sumay fried. May mama, may. Ano, french fries, shake. Spag apple. Spag ng kay, ano, french fries kay mama, shake. Shake. Bless us, O Lord, for this day gift which we are about to receive. Ang Daibanti, to Christ our Lord. Salamat sa mga pagkain ng lunchtime. Spaghetti. Lunchtime naman yung guro, no? Ano daw, early pa tapos ng recognition. Sweet na nga, spag. Salamat sa lunch. Mga minuda. Dito. Tapos na kami ka-lunch. Mag-go out na kami. Ay, thank you. Uy, kano? Ano to niya? Ay, thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe. Bye, everyone. Ha?